just heading back home just so I can quickly do these couple mods on the 370Z. Just picked up this 350Z cruise control thingy for a mate in KL that needs one for his map switching. So welcome back to another video. We are working on the Z today, not doing anything crazy. We don't really have enough time. 3:45 in the afternoon, so we can't do anything too extensive. Fix some stuff, put new stuff on, and yeah, so I'll see you guys back in the garage and we'll see what we've got in store for today. Back in the garage with the Z. I actually miss working on this car. What we have in store for today is I need to fix my boot. That's one thing I need to do. Hear that? Usually that unlatches the boot, and yeah, it's not. So what I've been using is, this is what I've been using. Behind this whole thing here, underneath this mat, here there is a small little rope latch thing that you pull and it releases the boot. It's pretty annoying because with the 326 power wing on this wing, when I have to fill up, it hits this. So I didn't really think about that when I bought the wing and when I put the wing on, but hey, it is what it is. It looks cool. So I need to lift the boot up, well, not all the way, but like, and then undo that, and then I could put this back down, but I can't close it all the way because then I have to go back in, pop the boot, then put this back in, and yeah, hopefully I get that fixed so we don't take an hour to fill up. I need new boot struts because the wing's too heavy, and yeah, so I just got a new actuator for the latch and just gotta install that, and hopefully that works because bought this second hand, and yeah, hopefully it works. And also gear up for this with the whole carbon black teal exterior. The one thing that stands out and hasn't been touched yet is these door handles right here. Have finally bought door handle covers. Goodies! Yay! So I just got this from Evoa, the OGs. The OGs will know Evoa. It doesn't have a cutout for this key in case your fob like runs out of battery. What I was going to do is I was going to cut a hole or just leave it, and then if that happens then I'll just peel it back. I think that's a better option instead of me stuffing it up and making a bigger hole. I'll show you the parts. It's a full carbon with the weave, and yeah, just held on by these double-sided tape. I might get some more in. Oh, there's a marking there where you can cut it out. Yo, I did not know that. That could work. Meh, it's alright. That's way too much work for today. Don't have enough sunlight for that. Over the top, just like that. Oh, that fitment though, what? That fitment is crazy. It's an unlock button. I will probably wrap that in black. These pieces here, they go, this might be the wrong way. Yeah, this is for the other side, but you get the gist. You get the gist. Look at that. Perfect assistant. Excuse a sock. Sorry. So this is the actuator here. Yeah, so that hooks in to there. It just goes to release it. So hopefully this works. Wait, if that was the only thing that was broken and I didn't have to buy a new one, I'm gonna be so pissed. Hold on, hold your horses. If this works, I'm gonna be so angry at myself. I don't know if you could see in that, but this metal rod came off that clip. If it does, I just wasted money on a part that I didn't need. What? we might be good. We might actually need that new part. Okay, cool. I don't care, let's just install the new part. It's fine. That escalated very quickly. Half my rear bumper's off because I need to get to this connector here that is underneath where the latch is. This guy is stupid. Wow, I really just did that. What I did, super stupid. I don't even know if that makes sense, but the connector, it's not behind the rear bumper. It's literally right under here. It's right there. You see that white thing? That's where it is. That's what happens when you try to rush jobs. Path is this way, you're going bah, bang. Took off half the rear bumper for nothing. I want to get this done. I'm done with this job. I want to sell this car now. I hate cars. And we have success. Yay, finally. Wait, hold on. I think this connector is only for the sensor to turn this light on. Nothing else. I took off half my rear bumper just so I can take that off. Really? What a waste of my time, dude. I had to bend this little bit here just so that cable, that steel cable, can come loose. I have a really bad feeling that this won't work. Say your expectations low, so anything you do good, you feel so much better about it. Oh, brother. Oh, yes. Oh, it worked. Yes, I love you. I love you so much. What a beautiful sound. Oh. Oh. That ass of a job is done. Now onto the fun bit. Wipe them with isopropyl alcohol. Just stick the carbon things on and then we're out of here. Okay, so this is how it looks right now with the OEM silver brush aluminium. Damn, look at that. That fitment is actually really good. I'm very happy with that. Look at that fitment. That's crazy. That's so good. Carbon. 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 Wow. Exterior has now been touched up and at a point to where I am not satisfied, but I'm good. Other things that I want to do is new tail lights, might get a new hood or might just do hood inserts, and probably new fenders, splitters all round. And then I think I'm happy with the exterior. Almost finished the exterior, but we also have so much to do. We are back on the road, back to doing some good business. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and like button down below. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.